Hi everybody! Before the worldwide diffusion of the COVID-19, one of the most important topics that was driving the R&D, the innovation, and the economic efforts of many industries was in the direction to reduce or substitute the use of plastic and microplastic. There was an incredible tide rising linked to the sustainability, and one of the wave was also including the cosmetic market. But when it comes into cosmetic formulation, you have to find the perfect balance between good idea of sustainability and technical feasibility of the formula, and then the performance on the skin. So are we sure that the natural base and natural derived ingredients can do the job? Actually, you need to find a compromise between sustainability, especially in terms of biodegradability, and efficacy into the cosmetic product. Thanks to a European coordination and under the umbrella of the European Commission of the Horizon 2020, in ROELMI HPC we have developed a new line called celus-bi that is fully matches the above premises. One product is called celus-bi Fill. It is a sensorial powder perfect to substitute PMMA, nylon 12 or other into live-on products such as makeup and skincare. The second powder is called celus-bi 𝗘𝗟𝗨. Is a perfect scrub for toiletries and also for face and body. So ask us for more information because sensoriality has never been so sustainable. Bye!